In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Fantom coin using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will successfully purchase Fantom and have it stored securely in your wallet. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google search engine. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth browsing experience. Once you are on the Google homepage, type Trust Wallet extension into the search bar and press enter. After a moment, you will see a list of search results related to Trust Wallet. Look for the official Trust Wallet extension link in the search results. Click on it to access the Trust Wallet website. This page will provide you with options to download or access the wallet. After reaching the Trust Wallet page, locate the Fund option in the menu. This will typically be found at the top of the screen. Click on Fund to start the process of adding funds to your wallet. Next, you will see the option labeled Buy Crypto. Click on this to proceed to the next step of purchasing cryptocurrency. This action will redirect you to a page where you can choose which cryptocurrency to buy. On the Buy Crypto page, you will find an option that says Choose a Crypto. Click on this option to view a list of available cryptocurrencies. This is where you will select Fantom. After clicking on Choose a Crypto, you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar to activate it. This is where you will be able to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Type Fantom into the search bar and wait for the results to load. Once the results appear, you will be able to see different options related to Fantom coin. Locate the specific Fantom option that you want to choose from the displayed results. Ensure that you select the correct one to avoid any purchasing errors. After identifying the correct Fantom option, click on it to proceed. This selection will take you to the purchase screen where you can specify the amount you wish to buy. On the purchase screen, you will find a field where you can type in the amount of Fantom you want to acquire. Enter the desired amount, keeping in mind any applicable limits or fees. Finally, after you have entered the amount, look for the Continue button and click on it. This will initiate the transaction process and lead you to a confirmation screen where you can review your purchase details. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.